The hunt in the jungle. The jungle wakes with the break of dawn. Every leaf, every sound echoes the rhythm of life. But behind this calm, a predator hides. He is the king of the wild. His steps may be soft, but his eyes are locked on the target. Today, once again, the jungle prepares for the hunt. Where a hunter exists, the hunted always feels it. This innocent deer has sensed the danger. A quiet tension spreads through the jungle. Evening descends, and the jungle falls silent once more. But every silence here carries a new story. A story of survival, written in shadows. And now begins the race between life and death. The law of the jungle is simple: hunt or be hunted. If you liked our story, please like and share. Thank you very much for supporting us.